Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, rejection. But before you click away, hold on a sec. This isn't your typical pity party. We're flipping the script on rejection and showing you how to turn it into your secret weapon for success. Rejection doesn't have to be the end of the road. It can be the beginning of something amazing. So buckle up and get ready for some game-changing insights that'll have you conquering rejection like a boss. Let's roll. Number 1. When life ignores you, don't let it get you down. Instead, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't being petty. It's affirming your self-worth. Consider this. If someone doesn't value your time, it's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, "I deserve better." It's like holding up a mirror to them, showing their behavior without letting it affect you. But how do you do this without becoming bitter? Focus on your own goals and happiness. Do things that make you feel good, like reading, playing sports, learning new skills, or spending time with people who truly appreciate you. Use rejection as motivation to grow and build self-respect. This isn't just about surviving rejection. It's about thriving and becoming emotionally mature and strong. It reinforces the idea that your worth isn't based on someone else's opinion. Stay true to yourself and let your actions speak louder than their silence. Number 2, when faced with rejection, don't react emotionally. It might hurt, but don't let it make you act impulsively. Instead, try Stoicism. Instead of giving in to frustration or sadness, stay composed. Resist the urge to seek validation or express resentment. Stoicism teaches us to respond thoughtfully, not impulsively. It's not about burying your emotions. It's about mastering them. Take a step back and reflect. Often, it's not the rejection itself that hurts the most, but our own insecurities. Focus on your own actions and reactions, not on others. Stay polite and kind, even if you feel like lashing out. Let your responses be genuine without expecting anything in return. This approach isn't about being passive. It's about mastering your emotions. It's about realizing that your worth doesn't depend on others' approval, but on how you handle rejection. Mastering calmness in the face of rejection isn't just about coping. It's about thriving. It's a journey towards self-confidence, where external validation doesn't matter. By adopting this mindset, you'll radiate strength and resilience, qualities that others find attractive. Number 3, when faced with rejection, it's crucial to master the art of detachment. Instead of letting rejection consume your thoughts, see it as a detour sign guiding you toward new opportunities. Use the experience to navigate challenges with skill and grace, engaging in activities that enrich your spirit and broaden your horizons. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift and inspire you, fostering mutual growth. Remember, rejection doesn't define your worth. It's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself, emerging stronger and more resilient with each endeavor. Number 4, rather than letting rejection weigh you down, demonstrate your value by showcasing your resilience. Redirect your energy toward constructive action and highlight your skills through meaningful projects. Understand that rejection doesn't reflect your worth, but redirects you toward opportunities aligned with your talents and passions. Embrace setbacks as setups for comebacks, weaving a success story defined by perseverance. By embodying empathy and understanding, you emerge from rejection stronger and wiser, ready to rise with renewed vigor. Rejection is not the end of your story. It's a pivotal chapter in your journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Number 5, when faced with rejection, it's crucial to sever communication. Embracing silence becomes a powerful tactic in your emotional toolkit. Instead of yielding to the temptation to reconnect or reconcile, recognize the potency of silence. Consider this period of no contact as a strategic reset, reinforcing your self-esteem and putting your mental well-being first. By keeping emotional distance, you assert your own value and resilience, making it clear that your happiness doesn't hinge on external approval. Your silence isn't passive. It's an active declaration of self-respect and confidence. While it might not immediately change others' behavior, it fosters significant personal transformation, strengthening your resolve and preparing you for future challenges. Number 6, proving others wrong isn't just about dispelling their doubts. It's about reaffirming your own potential. Use rejection as fuel for personal growth, committing yourself to surpassing perceived limitations. Focus on developing your skills and capabilities, not for others' approval, but for your own fulfillment. Let your actions speak louder than words, silently showcasing your competence and determination. While there's no need to boast about your progress, let your achievements speak for themselves. Understand that your journey of self-improvement isn't a competition with others' perceptions, but a testament to your unwavering dedication to excellence. By reshaping your self-image and recognizing your true abilities, you emerge from rejection stronger and more self-assured than ever before. Number 7. Embrace joy despite rejection. When faced with rejection, don't retreat into isolation. Instead, actively seek out experiences that bring you happiness and fulfillment. Challenge the idea that rejection should crush your spirits. Pursue moments of joy and connection. Engage in activities that ignite your passion and foster meaningful relationships with others. Embrace the unknown, seeing rejection as an opportunity to explore new horizons. Each new experience enriches your life, reinforcing your resilience and adaptability. Through shared laughter and experiences, rediscover your place in the world, affirming that rejection is just a temporary obstacle on your journey to greater fulfillment. Number 8. Elevate your social standing. Stoicism teaches us to turn rejection into personal growth and community engagement. Instead of seeking validation, focus on self-improvement and building meaningful connections. See activities like physical fitness and community involvement as opportunities to enhance your well-being and contribute to society. Cultivate relationships based on mutual respect and shared values, creating a network of meaningful connections. Your journey towards self-discovery isn't about climbing a social ladder. It's about ascending your own path toward personal excellence. By aligning your intentions with self-improvement, you inspire others to do the same, fostering a community built on resilience and empathy. Number 9. When faced with indifference, it's essential to recognize the power of quiet strength over futile efforts to gain attention from those who overlook you. Redirect your focus towards individuals who appreciate your presence while maintaining professionalism and civility in unavoidable interactions. However, avoid investing emotional energy in one-sided relationships. Prioritize your well-being and seek meaningful connections, signaling that your time and attention are valuable. Refusing to engage in futile endeavors isn't a weakness, but rather a display of self-respect and discernment. Embrace the decision to walk away, understanding that your energy is best directed towards relationships and endeavors that foster growth and fulfillment. Number 10. Responding to indifference with silence demonstrates dignity and self-respect. Instead of seeking validation or retaliation, choose to preserve inner peace through introspection and emotional mastery. View moments of silence as opportunities for self-reflection and personal development. Use this time to reaffirm your values, strengthen your character, and align your actions with your principles. Silence isn't a sign of weakness, but of inner strength and composure. By choosing not to respond, you assert your autonomy and avoid fruitless exchanges. Ultimately, silence serves as a powerful tool for maintaining emotional balance and promoting authentic self-expression, reminding you that your worth is rooted in your inherent dignity and self-awareness. Number 11. Stoicism advises against seeking attention. Instead, focus on anchoring yourself in your self-worth, independent of others' opinions. Find inner fulfillment through personal growth and self-discovery. Engage in activities aligned with your passions and values, prioritizing authenticity over fleeting attention. Your journey of self-improvement isn't about proving others wrong, but embracing your unique strengths and aspirations. True confidence comes from within, so prioritize personal development and well-being to redefine success on your own terms. Number 12. Be kind, but maintain emotional distance. Choose kindness while setting emotional boundaries to protect your inner peace and well-being. Treat others with respect and compassion, even when faced with disregard. Embrace emotional distance as a form of self-preservation and integrity. Kindness without expectation showcases strength of character. Remember, emotional distance isn't detachment. It's a conscious decision to prioritize mental and emotional health, rooted in Stoic principles. Number 13. Don't publicize your struggles. Instead, maintain composure and dignity in adversity. embodying Stoic resilience. Acknowledge your emotions without letting them control your actions or confidence. Respond to rejection with grace, affirming your inner strength and resilience. Recognize that true power lies in maintaining integrity amidst life's challenges. Prepare for setbacks by mentally rehearsing potential obstacles, as the Stoics did, ensuring you're equipped for whatever comes your way. Embracing rejection as a catalyst for growth leads to resilience and self-assurance, guided by Stoic wisdom. Thanks for tuning in to this insightful exploration of mastering rejection, inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Remember, rejection doesn't define you. It's an opportunity for growth and resilience. So, next time you face a closed door, see it as a signpost guiding you towards something even better. If you found value in our discussion, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the message of empowerment through wisdom. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into another fascinating topic. Until then, keep thriving and turning objections into triumphs. Thanks for watching.